No.
Would you like to start one or a free drink?
We're not from the area.
Oh.
We're just driving through. We're going to Springfield, Missouri. Route 66 begins here. Figure we hit up Route 66, see what it's like. At least a part of it. And yeah.
And we're headed towards downtown.
This is no longer Route 66. This is downtown Springfield, where Route 66 was created, was for this city. Springfield Cardinals. We're over by their stadium. We're looking at their parking lot.
And I are literally walking along Route 66 right now. We have the historic Gilios Theater. It's Sunday, so not a lot is open today. I'm not able to get it from across the street.
I'm gonna take it across the street right now, so you can see the size. Caitlin is gonna stand underneath it. the name of the shop?
It is Queen City Collectors.
Queen City Collectors.
Yes.
The city at night. The city at night. The city at night.
Route 66 Springfield Visitor Center. We'll check you out tomorrow
Yeah.
when you are open. We're driving back to our KOA from Route 66, and we stumble upon this beautiful Christmas display. Literally, it's like right next door to our KOA. I always think there's something extra beautiful when somebody does this to their own property, because you know they took a lot of time and love and care, and they just truly love it.
There's a message for Reed Drummond. I finally got far enough away from you that I feel safe.
Hello, good morning. We're still here in Springfield, Missouri. We're going to be headed out to the Hot Springs National Park. This is Route 44, but this is historically Route 66. We're going to get our trailer park coffee. Pseudo thought we could go in, so it wouldn't be a big deal if he came up from the back, but I had to warn him, it's a drive-through. Yay! But we're gonna get eggnog lattes. Reese is getting his pop cup.
No.
He's trying to get so much more, and that's all there is, Aries. You did it. That's Trailer Perk Coffee. So the name is actually Trailer Perk Coffee, but you know how your brain fills in gaps. All right, we're at a red light. We're gonna try our eggnog latte from the Trailer Perk Coffee. Pseudo even ordered a hot coffee.
Oh my God.
It's nice and subtly sweet.
It has all the things you like about eggnog in a coffee format.
I want you all to know that all season long, go Pseudo. We've looked at the holiday lattes. We haven't seen anywhere with an eggnog latte this year until just this moment.
Oh yeah.
Pseudo has his. I have mine. Good morning. It's been morning face. You've seen it a few times now. And we're about 4.5 hours from Hot Springs National Park.
Yep.
And we're gonna go ahead and head there now. Pseudo just gasped and said, "This is a diamond interchange." I said, "What's that?" He said, "You're about to find out. But I want you all to know, if you think it's something that's not gonna be super geeky, I guarantee it has something to do with the road structure."
It is. It's where when you go over the highway, you switch sides of the highway so you don't stop the road. It's just continuous flow.
Yeah, so if you wonder why I don't just constantly film our banter during the actual drives, you now know.
I've never driven through a diamond interchange. It's a new thing. It's a new thing. Like, I haven't seen one.
He literally just said, "That's so cool," off camera.
It is cool. Like, I don't know. I don't know.